guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that the weather is so chilly outside, it's a perfect timing to prepare this Peruvian style chicken soup, which is a really nice twist on the one that we make here in the US. Now let's get started. You'll need to start this recipe with 2 chiles, poblano and jalapeno. I'm gonna slice them in half and remove all of the seeds and the membranes of the peppers. This will ensure that the soup won't at all be spicy, but if you want some heat to your soup, leave a few of that white membrane attached. I'm gonna be going ahead and dicing them up, and these are going to go into a large soup pot with a bit of oil, and these are gonna saute with 1 chopped onion and 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna be seasoning this with a bit of salt and pepper and some cumin. This is gonna saute a bit until the onions are translucent and the peppers have a nice browning to them. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, I post recipes weekly, so be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. As you can see, the pan has a bit of browning, so I'm now gonna go ahead and add a bit of that chicken broth to this pot so that we could blend this mixture into a puree with a bunch of cilantro. Once everything is liquefied, go ahead and add the remaining chicken broth. You'll need 6 cups in total. Now don't forget that the full recipe is always listed down below in the description box and is always on my website. At this point, you're gonna go ahead and add the remaining ingredients to this soup. 2 chicken breasts are going in, along with half a cup of peas, 2 peeled and diced carrots, and 2 cut up Yukon Gold potatoes. These are gonna be incredibly creamy and delicious. And lastly, 1/2 cup of rice is then going in. This is gonna boil on a medium heat for about 35 minutes. The soup will be ready when you're able to shred that chicken with your fork. Don't worry about any of the vegetables or rice overcooking. Everything is going to be delicious and perfectly done once the chicken is ready. Go ahead and remove the 2 breasts, shred them up, and add them back into the pot. Get your big hunk of crusty bread ready because this delicious quick dinner recipe is ready to enjoy. Once you try this, you'll forever crave its warm and comforting flavors. Don't forget to squeeze a bit of fresh lime juice when you're serving this to really brighten this soup up. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them with a unique twist.